Today, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate Microsoft Office, all from the Microsoft official website. Let's open the document and see what steps are required. We only need the first and second of these steps. Let's copy the link from the first step, which is the official Microsoft website. Paste it into your browser to open the site. This is the Microsoft official website. Click to download this file. Open the download folder. Find the file you just downloaded in your Downloads folder and copy and paste it to your desktop. Copy and paste to your desktop. Create a new folder on the desktop and name it Office. Double-click this file and extract it to the Office folder you just created on your desktop. Select the Office folder. If you can't find it, click on the desktop icon. Open the Office folder and you will see 5 files. Then we need to open the official website of Microsoft Office. This is a customization page for Office. You can choose the apps you need to install according to your needs. Depending on your computer system, choose whether the soft is 32-bit or 64-bit. Most computer systems nowadays are 64-bit, unless you are a very old computer. Here is very important to remember that you must choose the version of volume license. You can choose Visio and Project if you like. Here I choose a language pack. Here I only need Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I turn off the other apps. If you need, you can turn on all of them. Choose a default language you prefer. You can add additional languages. You can leave all the rest of the options as default. Check everything is what you want. Now you can export and download the configuration to your computer. Click the Export button. As before, copy and paste the config.xml into the Office folder you just created. Remember the path of this Office folder, you can copy it down. Let's open the Terminal Command Tool CMD and run it as administrator. In the terminal, we need to enter 2 commands. The first one is to let the system download Office, and the second one is to let the system install it. Enter Office folder directory. Copy the first command. The system is downloading Office according to the configuration file you just made, which takes a long time, depending on your download speed. When the command returns to the input state, you can check the installation data of Office 2019 and its size. Here we run the command to make it install. Copy the second command. Copy to command and press enter. Office will start installing automatically. It shows that the installation is complete. You can see Word is already activated. Excel is already activated. PowerPoint is already activated. We can write something here and save it. We can open it, and you can check it is always be activated. If you don't want to configure the installation files, you can just use mine and I'll put the file sharing link at the bottom of the video. Thanks guys.